Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an above ground pool with one of the filter pumps. First thing you're going to do is lay down a tarp underneath the pool on a flat area of your yard. Next you're going to take the pool, unroll it, and flatten it out. You're going to notice that there are two outlets and an inlet. You want to make sure to put those on the side of the pool where you're going to plug in the filter. You're going to fill the outer ring with an air pump. Take the inner seam and tuck it under the rim so that it flattens the bottom of the pool out. Fill your pool up with water and smooth out the bottom as it fills. So as the pool fills up, you're going to need to try to pull the outer edge out to get rid of some of these wrinkles. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the filter pump. There are two of these where the water will flow out and one where the water will flow back in. Twist it on, then put the screw in the spot that it goes. This one does not have a screw spot. There are 4 different tubes, 2 long tubes, 2 short tubes. You're going to take the 2 short tubes and connect them to the T, attaching this tightener for each one. So take one end of the T. You're going to take the ones that has a little bit of a filter there and you're going to put it on this side. Push that through so it comes out a little bit and slide the hose on the end and then put the clamp on. Same with the other one. Put it on the inside of the pool so it goes all the way through. Attach the hose, screw on the clamp. And for the piece where the water is going to go back into the pool, you have to put this little nozzle on by screwing that tight. Then you're going to put this through one side of the pool, this on the other, and then you're going to put a clamp on that as well. Next, connect one of the long hoses onto the T. So the end that comes out from the T, you're going to put on the higher spot. Then on the other side of the filter, the lower spot, that's where you're going to put the other hose that's going to go back into the pool. Don't turn the filter on until you've filled up the rest of the pool. Now to get the air that is in the hose out, you twist this top piece and screw it back. Now that the pool is all filled up, we're going to turn on the filter and it'll be ready for swimming.
I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Do a spin move. Oh, wow, this is going to be great.